Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix system restore is not working in Windows 10 or 11. If you're using the Windows 10 or Windows 11 and you're facing the issue that your system restore isn't working, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you can try, you just have to go to search and just simply search for CMD, right click on it and then click on run as administrator, click yes. Now in this screen, we just have to enter a command which is SFC space slash scan now. Once you've entered, press enter from your keyboard. So it will start a system scan which will completely scan your system. If there will be any junk file or any corrupted file in your PC or in your system, it will be deleted or it will be fixed. Now once you have done, your issue might have been fixed. Or if it's still not fixed your issue, you just have to go to the second step, press Windows plus R, and here you have to enter this command which is control space system.cpl. Press OK or enter from your keyboard. Now go to system protection and just select your local disk C as the system. So you must have to select this one or where your Windows has been installed. So just go to configure. If you might see that protection is off, so go to now, once you have here, you just have to select turn on system protection. So you just have to also enable this one. You just have to go to up to 5 to 10%. Just set it. Once you have done, press apply. Then okay. Once you have done, you might see there's a on. So once you have done this, just go to search again, go to settings, and in settings, just go to Windows Update section, and here you must see update history. Go there, and then select uninstall update. Now, once you are here, you just have to select the update if you want to uninstall. I have nothing here, but if you want to uninstall your previous update, so you can try this step. Sometime it might help to fix out your issues. Then after uninstalling your update, you have to restart your PC. Then you can re-update your PC, or you can continue with the oldest version here or oldest system update. So after that, your issue will be fixed and you will not get that issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.